Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundhra from Bikaner Polymers. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. In this video, we are introducing the new peel-off sprinkler easy open end with our PET cans. We have a foil. We can peel this foil, and once the foil is peeled, we can sprinkle the flavored spices, and we can put the plastic cap on top for reusing. This peel-off lid can be sealed with the machine, and once it's peeled, the sprinkler lid is wide enough to take out the spices packed inside the can. It's a new concept. We are introducing this today. A plastic lid is provided to reuse the container again and again. The plastic lid can be customized with various colors. We can also emboss your logo on top. For more inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.